Here I am in my office today, filming through the window as the boys start to take all the rubble that they've dug out from the ground, and they're going to be putting them into these skips. And the boy that's doing it basically is got to do it via spade and via one of those things called a wheelbarrow, all day on his own. Killer.
Very good. You alright, EJ?
Yeah.
Come on, tell us Spot.
Hello.
Hello. Let's go. Out of the way. EJ, out of the way.
The couple of lads who have been on site today have cleared up all that mound now, so that's all gone. Taken a long time, and as we've come round, they've found some tubes and things that they need to just block out. So we've got something going on there, don't know what that's going to be for. And down there we've got through to the bottom of the house now. So that's all meant to be going tomorrow. We now have 2 full skips full of all the rubble. Grabbers coming tomorrow. And something that was not expected is that they decided they would move the portaloo to right in front of the house. So now the neighbours are looking at that.